You got me twisted up. Girl, you got me twisted. Yes. The fish is fishing. You like it? Organic. You like what you see, huh? Come on, the yam see the fire. So I never overdo. That's why I hate it. Now this oil now. You know how that period you want to put the fish inside the oil. You are in as they run till now. What do you want to tell me? But I'm a see runner. I'm a runner. I'm gonna call you guys back because this part will be very embarrassing. I know I'm gonna see you. That place where you feed the true fish. It's true. It's true. Ah. I want to say, where are my kids? I dropped my kids, okay? I need time for myself. Don't forget, today is Friday, man. Look, Ige. I beg respect yourself. Okay. You sure say you don't reach? No, just. You never reach. I never reach, I will wait. Ije. Namide here. Namide here. Maybe. Which guy? Why you? Oh my God. Don't make up nonsense. You don't reach you. He's crying. Woo! Somebody said the yam go too soft. My brother, you go soft to die. I love soft yam past anything. Jesus. Where's my girlfriend? You don't pass the level of girlfriend, I tell her no. She's not my girlfriend. Please. Respect yourself. Ouch! Whoa! Hey, Jesus! Hey! He's shooting. Hey, wait.